What we got here? Another one. Tops off. What are we thinking? Bridge rectifier? Always a bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier, as expected. Amazes me, like, on some of these, on how little thermal compound they put on. Like, there's no wonder it overheats, because there's nothing on it. We go, old one off. Just gonna put the new one on there. There we go, so that's been changed, but when I'm taking my readings over the board, that is short. And that's not supposed to be short, so that's no good. So yeah, might should change something else to fix instead of just bridge rectifiers. So we're going to pull that off there, and then hopefully get that replaced, and it should sort the problem. It's probably white blue in the first place. Oh yeah, out of circuit, still short. So it goes to show that not everything on these when they break is bridge rectifier. Sometimes other things break as well. There we go. Not beeping anymore. So that's that done. So it's going to take all the readings all over the board that I've got to make sure everything else is alright, and then we should be hopefully good. Right, I'll plugged in, see what happens. There we go, we're on. So what I need to do, basically I've got another one in from a customer, and what it is, apparently it won't pair, and that is this little board here. Apparently they've bought another signal, one of the clamp things, and that won't work with it either. So that is the bit that controls the radio. So while this one's apart, I need to take readings on all of that to add to my diode mapping document that I've got with all of the readings on it. So I've got readings for all this. That's how I diagnose it, because I know what a good reading is for these. So I've not done any of the signal. Actually, I've done these bits on the signal board and those bits, and that's it. So I'm going to have to do that bit on the signal board next, diode map all that out, so I've got all readings for it, and then I can compare it to the other one from the other customer and hopefully fix it. But yeah, it's literally just doing that because it's not connected to the clamp. But yeah, that's ready to send back to the customer. So there you go, another job done.